Okay, so look at your new words. The first word, 钱, which picture it is? 钱. 钱. Answer B, very good. 钱 means money. Then number 2, 打电话. 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 D over there, very good. Making phone call. Then number 3, 手机. 手机. C over there, very good. Cell phone, 手机. Then number 4, 苹果. 苹果. A over there, very good. Means apple. Then 再见. 再见. E over there means bye bye, right? Then the last one, 水果. 水果, fruit over there. 水果meaning means fruits. Then these are some warming up words. Then in lesson 3, we will learn a bunch of adjectives. So far, the first one, okay, they are objective with the opposite meaning. So the first one, 大. Then 大 meaning means big. So we have another word, 小. So small. For example, we can say 小苹果, small apples. Then continue, we got 多 and 少. So 多 meaning means more. Okay, I like this bunch of pen over here. 多. Then we can say 少 means less. So at here they got less pen. So 少. In your when you listen about those words, be careful with 小. 小 meaning means small. Okay. The initial X and SH. So make sure you can hear the difference. 少 means less. 小 means small. Okay. Some people find they are difficult to catch. Then continue, we got 儿子. So what's the meaning for 儿子? You learn in lesson 2. 儿子. Son, very good. Son. Make sure every people remembers meaning. 儿子 meaning means son. Then we got 女儿, daughter. Okay, 女儿. So continue, we got 男. 男 means male, man. Okay. 女 means female, woman. So what's the meaning for 女老师? 女老师, when we're talking for 女老师, so what's the meaning over there? 女老师. For example, I can say Nina 是女老师. So female teacher, right? Means I'm a female teacher. So we can say 男学生. 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 Like in our class, we got 男学生. So 学生 student, right? So male student, very good. So we have female and male. So like all the boys in our class, we can call them 男学生. But all the girls in our class, we can say 女学生. Okay. Then we can say 男学生和女学生, boys and girls. Then we use 男 to say male, 女 female. But if people talking about 男朋友 and 女朋友, okay, 朋友 meaning means friend, right? So if we say 男朋友 and 女朋友, so they are not your normal friends anymore. 男朋友 and 女朋友 means people in relationship. Okay, so 男朋友 boyfriend, 女朋友 girlfriend. So remember, 男朋友 and 女朋友, they are not your normal friends anymore. It means people in relationship. So it means boyfriend and girlfriend. If you just want to say my friend, so normally we don't say it's your male friend or female friend. We just use 我的朋友, okay, to say normal friends. So continue, we will talk another one. 是 and 不是, they also got opposite meaning. 是 meaning means be verb, okay, is. 不是 is not. We have the new word in lesson 3, how to say have. Which word meaning means have? When we're talking for have, lesson 3, which word meaning means have? 有, very good, 有. So then you over there. So In your pronunciation, make sure you can read 有 clear. Okay, 有. Circle your mouth. Don't open it wide because we will have another word in the future. Okay, 有 it's YOU with a tone number 3, meaning means have. Then we have another one, 要. YAO tone mark is number 4. The meaning means want. Okay, so in the future we will meet this word 要 meaning means want. Then 有 meaning means have. So when you read I have friend, 我有朋友. Okay, but if you open your mouth wide, that will become 我要朋友. So make sure your pronunciation is clear because in your oral test and presentation, we will focus on these words, whether you read them clearly or not. Okay. Then when we say have, it's 有, so the meaning don't have. Like in our class, I will ask you the question, do you have any question? So then you will answer, no. I teach you the no word when you answer cannot say 不. Okay, we use the word 没有. 没有, don't have. Okay, 没有. So remember 是 and 不是. Normally when we say no, we put 不 in front of the verb. But for 有, we don't say 不有. Okay, we use 没有, a new word today. Okay, we use 没 to say no. So 没有. But still, most of the situation we use 不. Okay. Then today we will focus on how to counting numbers. Lesson 3, chapter 3 is about counting numbers. The first one we have, okay, from number 1 until 5, sense the tone. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 1 until 5. Then from 6 to 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is from 1 until 10. So the things, we already have the words in MP3, so you can listen and repeat. But the things I want you to remember is about the picture in the right side over here. So picture in the right side is the how to use your hand to show from 1 until 10. Okay, this part you have to make sure you can remember it. So from 1 until 10 over here. Then, for example, maybe in our quiz 2 or listening test, we will give you a picture. Then, for example, we give you a picture like this. Then we will ask, you will listen, people read 三. So then 三 is number 3. Actually, this is not number 3 over here. So then you have to choose it's true or false. Okay. So make sure you can remember how to use your hand to say from 1 until 10. Like the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are normal. From 1 until 5, they are normal, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start from number 6 until 10. They are different with, they are different in Malaysia. So then number 6, we use 6, like this one. Okay, number 6, 6. So no matter it's front or back, it's the same. Okay, 6, front and back is the same. But don't put the 6 like this way. Okay, every people understand this is making phone call. Then this is about 6. So then we have 7, the continuing one. 7 means number 7. So 7, 3 fingers over here. You use a thumb. In Mandarin culture, a thumb normally means 5. Okay, this means 5. So 5 plus 1 and 2 is 7, right? So these 3 fingers putting together means the number 7. Okay, 7, we show it like this. Then 8. Okay, so still front and back is the same. Okay, 8, we're showing it like this way. Then don't put it by here. Okay, this is shooting every people still the same gesture. Then 8, we put it like that. So 8 means number 8. Then 9, we show it by this way. It's like you're writing a number 9 over here. Okay, a circle plus 1 thing at here. So 9, still front and back is the same. Then 10, we got 2 ways to show 10, number 10. First one, you are using a fist showing like this. Okay, 10. Then another one is you can use 2 fingers to show a cross over here. Because a cross is like the Chinese character number 10. You can see at here, right? Chinese character number 10 is look like a cross. So then we use this one to show the Chinese character 10. Okay, 10 like this. So make sure you can remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6、7 ，OK， 7、8、9、10. So this is from 1 until 10. Then hope you can catch the pronunciation. Also remember how to use your hand to show from number 1 until 10. Then continue, we will have some exercise. 你会读吗？会 meaning means can, we learn in lesson 2. 读 means read. Ma is a yes or no question word. 你会读吗 means can you read it? Then at here, counting, tell me how many balloons at here. Which number at here you will use? You type I read, okay. I already show it in, use one hand to show the numbers. So which number it is? R, very good. Okay, it's R. Then continue my picture number 2 over here. How many balloons at here? 你会读吗? How many balloons at here? 6, very good, 6. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 balloons at here. Then continue picture 3. Picture 3 over here, this is the number. Picture 3, right? 8 over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over here. Then picture 4. Picture 4. Sun, very easy, right? Sun. Then picture 5 over here. Picture 5 over here. Picture 5. 7, right? 7. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. Also, the finger gesture look like this. Then picture 6 over here. Picture 6. 4, right? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over here. Then picture number, picture number 7. Picture number 7 over there. 5, right? 5. Then number 8. Number 8, this one. Number 8. Seriously, you got 10? We got only 9 over here. So 9. Okay, so make sure you can catch the numbers. Use it more until you can fully remember. Okay. When we start to counting from number, if you need to, we will have to remember all the numbers today from number 1 until 99. This is all you have to learn. But actually, we only need to focus from number 1 until 10. If you can fully remember 1 until 10 very clear, so you are free to counting other numbers as you like. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you fully remember them. Okay, then we can use 1 until 10 to continue counting other numbers. Then one interesting thing for you is if you type with your friend, if you send a message to your friends, then you may find out about some Chinese people when they type, when they type, they will type a lot of 5 to you like that. So when people type a lot of 5, actually in China, this one means the people are crying because number 5, the pronunciation is 5. So it's like, ooh, people are crying, feel sad about it. So this is some interesting things. We use the pronunciation to type, to change some other words. But the funny case is if people in Thailand, so when people speak Thai language, the Thai people, when they type about number 5, that means people are laughing. Because number 5 in Thai language is ha. So then it's like ha ha ha, they are laughing over there. So totally different things. Then once you remember about this one, so you can remember about number 5. Okay, the pronunciation is 5. So people can use this one to type out. Today I feel a little bit blue. I feel sad today. So then continue. We will talk about this one. 你的朋友在哪里? So 哪里 means where. 在哪里 in where. So 朋友 friend. Where's your friend? Then the first one, your friend is in room 224. So how do we read it? When we read the room number, we read the numbers one by one. Okay, we read the numbers one by one separately. So how do you say my friend is in room 224? We use 我的朋友在. How to say 224? Can you already answer the question without checking your books? 我的朋友在 2, 2, 4. Now we answer by this way. Okay. 我的朋友在224. Then this is how we answer it. So we put 哪里 the question word. So we use our answer to put it here. Change 你 into 我. Then we copy other words. So 我的朋友在224. Then room number 2. Your friend is in 302. So for here 302, 0 is 0. So how do you read the room number 302? Still difficult for you to follow the numbers? Ah, 我的朋友在302. Very good. Okay. Make sure you put capital letter and full stop mark. Okay. 我的朋友在302. Very good. Then continue over here for room number 109. For room number 109 over here. 我的朋友在 Right now already can remember those numbers or not? 109. Then we got another one, 315. 315 over here. Remember to put capital letter and full stop mark. Okay. 我的朋友在315. So normally you will say like this one, right? But we have another case for you. At here, read it clearly. Read these notes clearly. So number 1. Okay, number 1. Just now when we learn number 1 pronunciation is 一. So number 7, the pronunciation is 七. So 一 and 七 sound similar if you stand far away, so maybe people cannot hear it clear. That's why when you introduce, remember when you introduce room number, phone number, metric number, and other numbers to other people. When you read those numbers like room number, metric number, so telephone number to other people, we will change number 1, the pronunciation into 幺. Okay, we will change number 1, pronunciation into 幺. So for number 1, when you read as 幺, only when you introduce your room number, phone number, like that. But if you just do normal counting, like I count how many people come today, so then 1, 2, 3, 4, we still use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yes, normal counting we use 一. But for phone number, room numbers, metric number, we use 幺. This one is the difference. Make sure you remember, okay? Then right now, when people introduce room 109, that will be 我的朋友在109. Okay, 我的朋友在109. Okay, 在109. So when you introduce those room numbers, phone numbers, we read the numbers separately. Change 1 into 1. Okay. Then the last one will be 我的朋友在315. Okay. Then and here continue after we've introduced about 1 until 10. That is the basic. And then still remember 0 is 0. So at here we will continue to counting how to count from 11 until 99. Okay. Right now, we will continue to learn how to count from 11 until 99. So far from 11 until 19 is the second group. Okay, 11 until 19 is the second group. You will learn how to count it. When we introduce 11 until 19, we will use, it's like we counting a 10, then match with the numbers for it. For example, 11 means 10 plus 1, right? So 10 is 10, 1 is 1, so 11 is 11, okay, 11, they writing together. So can you see from number 11, so until 19, numbers less than 100, we write together, no space in the middle, okay, don't put space in the middle, don't separate 10 and 1, so you write them together. Then 11, so it's 11, 10 plus a 1. You have number 1 until 10 and here I already put here at the basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I already writing at here. So then 10 plus 1 is 11. Then 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, it's 12. Then you have to be careful when you type the word 12. So between 10 and 2, they got a comma in the middle. I have introduced that when we're learning for 女儿, still remember, daughter. Then when we learned the word 女儿, I told you in the middle you had a comma. Then actually for Mandarin level 1, we only have less than 5 words. They got comma in the middle. Okay, less than 5. So the first one is 女儿. Then the second one, today we will learn it, is 12. Okay, 12. So far only these two. Okay, so far only these two. Then other words, so far we learned they don't have 没有. Okay, 没有. So don't randomly put the comma in the middle. So far only have 女儿 and 12. They got the comma in the middle. So 12, number 12. Like I had here, 15. It's a 10 plus 5. So 15 means 15. Okay. So make sure you understand that from 11 until 19, it's like you count a 10 first, then plus the other numbers. So starting from number 20, when you're counting from number 20 to 99, it's same like you count in Malay. Okay, when you're counting from number 20 until 99, totally same like you're counting in Malay. So how you count it, then you directly do the translation. Okay, for example, number 20, dual blue. So you have a 2, dual 2 over there, and a blue, 10. So 20 means number 20. Okay, like you're counting in Malay. So for example, we got, when we're counting for 24, okay, 24, dual blue, but it's 24. Okay, 24, 24. So that totally same like you counting in Malay, but you're writing them together, as I told you, cannot separate them. Okay, numbers below 100, they are one word, no space in the middle. So already understand how we should counting them? Understand it or not? So for the no miss, which part are you still lost? I will try to give more examples, so let's see you follow it or not, okay? Number 20 until, for example, number 48. Empat puluh laban over here, so 48. Then how do you count in number 48? So you just find out, right? 48over here, so 48, totally no problem, right? Then, so continue, we will check more example over here. Then the first one, how do you count it? Numbers from 11 until 10, that will be 10 plus the other number. So how to say the first one? I told you, you got something in the middle. So far we got 2 words. When you type, you have comma in the middle, 女儿 and 12, right? So number 12, 12. You have to type the comma over there, one only. So 12. Then number 2, over here, this one. How do you count it? How do you count it for number 2? 18. Okay, so I told you only need to remember from number 1 until number 10. Then you can free to counting other numbers. So 18 over here. Then number 3, 第一个 blue. So then think about it, how you do the translation directly. 30, right? 30. Very good, So make sure if you understand, so try to involve inside. Then number 4, 56. Okay, over there. How do you say it? Now find out them quickly. Very good. It's 56, right? 56. Very good. Then number 5 over here. 41. So how do you say it? 41, right? 41. See, we don't need to remember how to count it exactly. As long as you remember from 1 until 10, you are free to counting others. Then number 6, 90 So then, how do you contain it? Very good. 99, right? 99. Then continue. The next one, Duju Blue Digger over here. How do you say it? 73, 73. So the last one, a non-blue. The last one, a non-blue. 1、2、3、4、5、6 Okay, 60 over there. So all the numbers when we counting from number 1 until 99, this is how we count it. I want to ask you a question. Today we have to remember from 0 until 99. How do you count it? Okay, you must make sure you can remember how to count from 0 until 99. So actually, how many numbers you only need to remember how many numbers from 0 until 99. Actually, how many numbers you only need to remember? From 0 until 99, how many numbers exactly we need to remember? It's 11, right? 11 actually, it's a 0 from 0 until 10. You just remember from 0 until 10. So total it's 11 numbers. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10 plus a 0, 0. Okay, 0. Then this is 11 numbers, so you can free to counting from 0 until 99. Okay, so far from level 1, we only need to settle down these. Okay, so we will continue to move on. Then we got 手机 over there. Okay, 手机 means cell phone. Then we have another word 号码. 号码 means number. Okay, in lesson 3. So 手机号码 means phone number. Then if I ask you 学生号码, 学生号码, this is the full name. But in short form, normally we just say 学号. Okay, short form, normally we just use 学号. Do you understand what's the meaning for 学号? 学生号码, what is that one? Word in lesson 1 and lesson 2, did you already remember? So 学生号码, 学号, what's the meaning for it? A student number. So then 学生 means student. So 号码 number, right? So 学生号码 is a student number. That means number for every student. It's your metric number. Okay, 学号 means your metric number. So then remember about this one. So 学号 metric number. Then for here, 你的手机你的手机 你 means you. 你的手机 means your cell phone. So for example, if I told you 你的学号你的学号 means your metric number. Okay, 你的学号 is your metric number. Then 多少 our new word today. 多少 means how many. We're asking for numbers. Okay, new question word today. So previously we got 3 question word. 什么谁哪里 we already learned these 3 special question words. So today we learn another one. 多少 asking for numbers. Okay. Then 你的手机号码是多少 means so your phone number is what? So that is how many we're asking for numbers. But in English, we used to ask for what's your phone number. So in this sentence, please make sure you be careful. In English, they translate as what's your phone number, but in Mandarin, you cannot directly translate because the word what in Mandarin is 什么. But we never ask 你的手机号码是什么? Because 什么 the answer will be object, name of something. But 多少 actually your phone number, they are not object, they are just a bunch of numbers. So the question word asking for numbers will be 多少. Okay, so never asking for 你的手机号码是什么 cannot put 什么 as the question word. Then I already used red color to highlight the question part 多少 at here. That means you will put your numbers at here, change 你 into 我. So how do you type this sentence in Mandarin? How do you type this sentence, the full sentence? My phone number is this one. How do you answer me in the full sentence? Remember, first letter you type in capital, then other numbers. Remember, think about just now what things did I introduce. So how should you answer this sentence correctly? Type your answer. So I already finished. How about you? You have to type the numbers in Mandarin. You need to type the numbers in Mandarin. So how should you answer the sentence? Capital letter over there. Okay, very good. I already see the answer. Fighting over there. So already got the answer. I also got this one. First letter write in capital. When you finish, put your full stop mark. This is the basic rules I need you to remember. Then number one, info number. So we should type as yao, not yi over there. So once you remember this one, then no problem anymore. So we should use 我的手机号码是016407813. Okay, so this will be the numbers over there. Yeah. So I didn't write the pinyin at here, but I already typed the correct answer in Webex chat. Okay, so make sure when you remember, when you introduce your phone number, so make sure you remember number one, we read as yao, not yi. Okay. So next class, I will ask someone, 你的手机号码是多少? Then I will ask you to introduce your phone number. So make sure you can answer me with very fluent way. Okay. Then just now we have introduced for number one, we got two pronunciation. So the first one, in normal counting, how should you read number one? In normal counting, how should you read number one? Very good, we use E, right? We use E. Then, but if we read phone number, room number, your car numbers over there, so then how should you read it? We use yao, very good. So this is two pronunciation for number one. Then actually for number two, also we got two pronunciation for it. The first one, in normal counting, like just now when I introduced to you, how do you say number two? How do you counting two? R, right? We use R. Then another thing you have to remember when you read the new words, they introduce another word. If you're counting object like 2 people, 2 days, 2 years, so 2 cars, if you have 2 match with another object, you are counting. So we cannot use 二, we will use 两, okay? So we will use 两 over there for counting. Then this is a difference. So like number one, when you read phone number, special cases, in phone number, we read yao, normal counting use yi. Number two, normal counting, we use er. But if you're counting object, when you use 2 match with another object, you count. Then we will use 两, okay? We use 两 for reading. Only for all the numbers, only number 1 and 2, they got 2 pronunciation for this number. Other numbers, they are normal, okay? They only got 1 situation. They only got 1 pronunciation for it. So other numbers never change, okay? Only these 2, number 1 and number 2, they have 2 pronounce. Other words, only 1 pronunciation. Then over here, we have introduced another case to you. Actually, previously we already do. Then the number 1, E, okay? E original tone is the first one, E written at here. But when the number 1 match with another words, previously when we introduced the tone change, we already told you. So number 1, they will change the tone, like 一天means 1 day, 一年 1 year, 一本 1 copy of some things. So the tone we mark in number 4. Okay, this is a tone change, depending by the second words. What is that? But if you say 一样, if the second word is false tone mark or neutral tone, 一个, then you will change 一 into second tone. If you're still confused about it, then you can check our video uploading online learning. Download it and then check our first and second time of class when we introduce the pinyin things for you. Okay, this year is very well for you to do the revision. You just download the video from online learning, check it by yourself. Then you can review the other things we have to learn. We have teach in class. Okay. Then we will continue to new things. The word 个. 个 is when we counting, we will put the word 个. So we put in the structure between numbers and the objects you are counting. So put between numbers and nouns. For example, 1 people, between 1 and the word people, you have to put 个 in the middle. Okay. So this is the word you have to put in the middle. 个 is the word you put between number and the object when you're counting. So then, for example, 1 cat. Between 1 and the cat, you have to put 个 in the middle. Okay. So in English, we don't have the word in the middle. They just directly say 1 cat. They don't have some word in the middle. But actually in Mandarin and Malay, you have the same, right? When you're talking for 2 books like dua, bua, buku. So then between numbers and the object, you have the word in the middle, right? The Mandarin and Malay, they are the same. Between numbers and the things, we must put word in the middle. So at here, for example, I give you the example 6个医生. Do you understand the meaning? 6个医生. In translate, we don't need to translate the word in the middle. We just translate the number and object. But you have to make sure when you're writing them in Mandarin, you need to put the word 个 in the middle. So what's the meaning? 6个医生. 医生 we learn in lesson 2, right? 6个医生. What's the meaning for it? "6个医生." 6 doctors, very good, right? 医生 means doctors. Then 6个医生, 6 doctors. Then continue number 2. 9个学生. 9个学生. Now, what am I talking for? 9 students, very good. 9 students, 9个学生. So then, these are the normal words. When we counting, we just put 个 between number and the object. But we have 4 special case for you. You have to remember separately. These 4 special case, we don't put 个 in the middle. We have new words. The first one is when you're counting for books. I already list the picture for you, right? If you're counting for books, we don't use 个 in the middle. We put 本. Okay, we use 本 in the middle. So if you're counting for a piece of cake, a piece of pizza, a piece of apple, so the things they cut in small pieces, we use 块 in the middle. Okay, we use 块 in the middle. For example, we can say 4块蛋糕. Okay, 4块蛋糕. Then you will learn 蛋糕 this word in Mandarin 3. So far in Mandarin 1, don't need to remember. Okay, 蛋糕means cake. So 4块蛋糕, you can just translate as 4 cakes. Okay, 4 cakes. Or you can say 4 pieces of cake. Okay, 4 pieces of cakes. Then this is about 块. If you cut it in small pieces, we use 块 over there. Then like if you cut the apple into small pieces, not a whole apple. If you cut it into small pieces, also we can say 一块苹果, a piece of apple. Okay, a piece of apple like that. Then you cut them into pieces. So another one, 家 this word. When you're counting for building, okay, this is the picture I gave you and the words you should use. Then when you're counting for building over here, so far the building we have learned, we have 医院. 医院. For example, you can see 三, normally you can see 三个医院. Okay, 三个医院. This is informal. Okay, if you're just talking with your friend. In oral, we can say 三个医院, no problem. Means 3 hospital. You use the normal word 个 at here. But if you say it informal, okay, if you write the things, if you do a speech, then we can say 三家医院. Okay, 三家医院. So then we put 家, change the word 个 because 家 is the formal word we counting for building. Okay, only for building. Then 三家医院 means 3 hospitals still. Also, you can say 五家学校. 学校 we have learned in lesson 2. 学校 means school. 五家学校 means 5 school. This is formal. Okay, if you say a speech in the formal way, we use 家五家学校. But if you just talk to your friends, you can say 五个学校 also can. Okay, 五个学校. Yeah, 5 school over there. Then this is about how we were going to talking for it. Then continue about, this is about a building. So you have 2 way, formal and informal. Okay. Then, but we have introduced the word 家. In lesson 2, I told you the word 家 meaning means family or house. Okay, home. Then you just remember today, you know, they got another meaning they can use to counting for buildings. Okay, so it has 3 meanings so far. Then the last one is when you count for a glass of something, like a cup of milk, a cup of tea, a cup of Coca-Cola. So then we can use 杯 to count for it. Okay, so give me what's the meaning for 七, for example, 八杯咖啡. Do you understand this one? 八杯咖啡. Coffee, this word not in our books. You will meet coffee, this word in level 3. Okay, when you learn Mandarin 3, so we will learn cafe, this word. But actually, you can get the meaning in the pronunciation. Take a guess, what's the meaning for 八杯咖啡? 八杯咖啡. You can catch the meaning for cafe just in pronunciation. Very good. It's 8 cups of coffee, right? Very good. So cafe meaning means coffee. Then 八杯咖啡 means 8 cups of coffee. So this one, remember when we counting a cup of something, so we will use 杯 in the middle. So only these 4 situations, special case. Okay, counting for books, we use 本. Counting for a piece of something, we use 块. Count for building, formal word, we use 家. Count for a cup of something, we use 杯. Okay. If they are not the 4 picture I listed here, if they are not the picture I listed here in Mandarin level 1, you can all use 个 to count for it. Okay, you can just use 个 put in the middle when you're counting other words. So let's check the example. What's the meaning for 两本书? Do you understand it? 两本书, I told you word in the middle. Normally, actually, you don't need to translate it. So what's the meaning? 两本书. Just 2 books, right? Very good. Just 2 books. This is about how do we counting for it. Remember, we have to put a word in the middle. Normal case and for special situation. Then just now when we have introduced the question word how many. But actually, when you read the new word, you will know we got 2 words, both means how many. The first one is 几, another one is 多少. Okay, they are question word. The difference between 几 and 多少 is if the answer is numbers less than 10, so we will use 几 as the question word. But if your answer is numbers more than 10, then we will use 多少 to count for it. Okay, to ask the question. Then remember the answer 几 and 多少, they will be numbers only. Cannot be 2 people, 2 books. Because 2 people, 2 books, you have number and the object. Okay, that will be not the answer for how many. The how many 几 and 多少 they only can be numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They only numbers. Cannot use number match with other words. Okay. So remember, this is the first thing, only number. Then if it's number less than 10, we will choose the question word 几. So if it's numbers more than 10, then we will choose question word 多少. Okay. So hope you can remember clear. Then look at the sentence. 我有5个朋友. So 我 means I have. I have 5个 5 friends. Then right now, if I need you to ask question to 5, you have to ask question to 5. So which question word do you choose? Which question word do you choose if you ask question 5? Which question word do you choose for here? Very good. If you already understand what I'm talking, so give me feedback. Here we use 几. So then we put 几, replace the answer 5, then change 我 into 你. Other words, you copy to the sentence, become how many friends you have. So the sentence should be 你有几个朋友. Okay, 你有几个朋友. So continue new words. We got 打电话, make phone call, just now we introduced. Then we have the word 给. 给 have two meanings. The first meaning means call to someone. Okay, we can use together with 打电话给我 means call to me, call me. Another meaning 给 can translate as give, like give your book. Okay, give me 给我 okay, give me your book. So 给我你的书 we can say give money 给钱 okay, 给钱 give the money. So we have another word 了 meaning means already. Okay, 了 meaning means already. So we have 了 is a neutral tone word. You have to be careful. Okay, 了 don't have a tone mark. 没有 tone. Okay, neutral tone words. So far we have a lot of neutral tone words. The first one, 了 new word today, meaning means already. Then we have another word, 的. Okay, looks similar. 的 meaning means someone's. Then we got another one. Ma is for yes or no question word. Okay, for yes or no question word. Then we have another one. Ne meaning means how about. It also belongs to a question word. Okay, means how about. So all the 4 words, they are neutral tone words. But when you put those words in the sentence, they still counting as one word. Okay. Last time when you do make sentence assignment, some people message me individually with the question. For example, like 我的朋友, they ask me how many words at here. So actually, do you know how many words in the part 我的朋友? How many words at here? 我的朋友, if you're writing 我的朋友, how many words at here? Very good. It's 3 words, right? Even though it's a neutral tone words, but still they counting as one word. Then we still have another confused last time when you write the assignment. So in the word, okay, be careful. If people writing 王小姐, 小姐 meaning means miss. So if people write 王小姐, they are counting as one word or 2. I have told you people's name counting as one word. So 王小姐, how many words at here? People's name counting as one word. So 王小姐, how many words actually at here? Now listen to my sentence clear. People's name counting as one word. So 王小姐, how many words? 小姐 meaning means miss. 王小姐 is a people's name or not? 是 or 不是? 王小姐 is people's name or not? Do we have people name is 王小姐? 不是 right? They are not a name. 不是 So definitely they are not a name because no people named Miss Wang. So then Wang Xiaojie, they are two words. Okay, they are two words, definitely two words. So you have to make sure you remember. We only told you people's name and a place, they are two words. So we don't have your friends named Miss Wang. So then they are two words, of course. So continue, we check the sentence. 下午他打电话给我了。下午 meaning means evening. We learn in lesson 1. So in the evening, between 2 to 6 o'clock, right? So in the evening, he called 给我了 to me. 了 means already. So means the things happened already. In the evening, he called me. Okay. 打电话给我了. So one thing, okay, at here, I need you to focus at here. In English, you can say, call me, call my mom, call my friend. You can directly say, call someone. But in Mandarin, cannot. Okay, in Mandarin, cannot. So you have to put 给 in the middle between call and the people. Okay, you must say 打电话给我. Cannot just say 打电话我, that is wrong. Okay, 打电话我 call me, that's wrong. So you really have to remember you need to put 给 in the middle. So like call to my mom, 打电话给妈妈. Okay. Then we got 今年. 今年 means this year. So we have another question word at here. Then 多大 means how old. We're asking for people's age. Okay, asking for people's age, how old. Then we got the word 岁, new word. 岁 means years old. Okay, we used to introduce the people's age, like 5 years old, we say 5岁. 3 years old, 3岁. Okay, we put numbers before 岁. So at here the sentence 今年你多大了? 了 means already. So this year, how old are you already? Just this year, how old are you? So 今年你多大了? Question word I already highlighted in red color means 多大. Then when you put your answer, you use your answer replace 多大, change 你 into 我. Other words, you copy all of them. Don't forget 了 in the end. Okay, you have to copy other words completely, every word in the sentence. So don't forget any words. Then we have to answer in the full sentence with 今年我26岁了. Because answer the people's age, you need to say numbers and the words years old. Okay, so 26岁 is 26 years old. Okay, this year I'm 26 years old. This is how you introduce your age. You put a number before the word 岁. Okay, to introduce your age. Then at here, 谢先生有2个儿子，一个7岁，一个9岁。谢先生 means Mr. 谢先生 means Mr. 谢，有 has. Mr. 谢 has 2个儿子. This is the number and the object you are counting. 2 means 2, right? When we say 2 something, we use 2. So 儿子 son. So Mr. 谢 has 2 sons. 一个7岁。个 when you say 个 you know they are counting. So we just focus number and the things. So one is 7岁 7 years old. 一个9岁 the other one is 9 years old. So this will be the meaning. Okay, 谢先生有2个儿子，一个7岁，一个9岁. So these are the number. They are the meaning over here. Then in the future, you will have a quiz 1. Okay, we will finish learning. So after your sem break, you will have a quiz 1 or during the sem break like that. Then in your quiz 1 in online learning, so we will give you a sentence like that. You will read a long sentence and then you have to say true or false. So after it's like reading comprehension, you read a long sentence, then we give you a small, another short sentence to see whether this one is correct or not. So how we will do quiz 1, we will introduce it later, but you will know we will have a quiz 1 in online learning. If you forgot, still check our video. In my first time of class, we already introduced about our course assessment. Okay. Don't ask me, Miss, what is quiz 1? We already give you the video, so please use your revision very well. Then continue over here. 你的女儿30岁了吗？女儿 means daughter. 你的女儿 your daughter. 30 number 30. 岁 years old. So 30 years old. Le already or not. Is your daughter 30 years old or not? 你的女儿30岁了吗? So this will be the meaning, right? Then and here in this slide, I'd like you to be careful. If just now when we introduced, I told you when you're asking for numbers, if we got two question words, both means how many, 几 and 多少. If it's numbers more than 10, we use 多少, more than 10. If it's numbers less than 10, we use 几, okay, 几. Then at here, still, if the people is younger than 10 years old, we will use 几岁 to ask the question, okay? If the people is younger than 10 years old, we use 几岁 to ask the question. But if the people is older than 10 years old, okay, the people is older than 10, so we will use 多大 to ask the people's age, okay? We use 多大 to ask the people's age. So remember your answer will be number matched with the word 岁, okay, years old, like that. Then, so we have the word very means 很 matched with adjective. 2 means 太 matched with adjective. These things we introduced in lesson 1. For example, adjective in lesson 3 we have 大 means big, 小 means small. For example, very small, we can say 很小. Too small, we can say 太小了. Okay, 太小了. Then we got 多 means more. 少 means less. Okay, less, 少. Then lesson 1 we have 高兴, happy, like 很高兴, very happy. 太高兴了, too happy. Then 漂亮, pretty. Okay, so these are adjectives. We can put them after 很 and 太. Okay, put that here to say about your opinion, how you feel about another things. But they got two words I need you to remember separately related with the word 多. Okay, 很多 the meaning means many. Two words together means many. So you can say many friends, 很多朋友, many books, 很多书. Okay, this is two words. 很多 means many. Then the word 太多了. If you put 多 at here, 太多了 meaning means too much. Okay, for example, you think the assignment is too much, so you can say 太多了. Okay, then we have new word 些. Okay, 些 meaning means some. Actually, it coming from the original word 一些. Okay, original word is 一些. Short form is 些. So they means some. Then we have the similar words. If people say 谢谢, 谢谢 is XIE in tone number 4, right? 谢谢, the meaning means thank you, right? Then we have another one, 写, XIE in tone number 3. Okay, 写 in tone number 3. The meaning means write. Okay, like 写汉字, 写汉字, write Chinese character. Then today we learn 些 with tone number 1. Okay, with tone number 1, the meaning means some. So make sure you can remember different tone. Okay, they got different tone at here, so they look similar to you. Then we got 这些 and 那些. 这些 and 那些 meaning means these and those. You have to be careful. Okay, two words together translate as these and those. 这些 and 那些. So look at the sentence. 这些苹果太小了. These apples are too small. Okay, 这些苹果太小了. Then we have 她给了我一些水果 means she gives me some fruit. 她给了我一些水果. So they are example sentence. Then we check out here. 钱. Okay, new word. 钱 meaning means money. So question word, if we're asking for how much, for the price, we will use 多少钱. Okay, how much? 多少钱 meaning means how much, asking for price. Then, and here, 你的汉语书多少钱 means how much is your Mandarin book. 你的汉语书多少钱. So when we answer the question 多少钱 means how much, right? We will use answer price. We will put a price over here. Then we need the word 令吉 ringgit. So at here, when we counting for different price, the price and the pinyin didn't match. Okay, so first tell me the first one. The first one, 54 ringgit. Which one is your answer? Which one is your answer for 54 ringgit? Very good. The D 54令吉, right? The number 4 is the answer. Then number 2, 79 ringgit. 79 ringgit is? Very good. We got so many people catch it. It's 79令吉. Then number 3, 2 ringgit. The first one, 2令吉. Good. Number 4. Number 4. 37令吉. Very good. 37令吉. Then the last one. The last one. 26令吉, right? 26令吉. So this will be the answers, right? So then, 令吉 is the money in Malaysia. If you're counting money in China, we use 块. So you just change 令吉 into 块. Like 2块 is money in China. Okay. So then you just change 令吉 into 块. That is you counting money in China. So if people answer with 我的汉语书40令吉, 40令吉 is the price. So we put price, change the question word. Then 你 we change into 我. Other words you copy down. 我的汉语书40令吉 means my Mandarin book is 40 ringgit. Okay, so this will be the answer. Then today homework is translate your dialogue 1 and dialogue 2 in lesson 3. Okay, translate dialogue 1 and dialogue 2 in lesson 3. Okay, D1 and D2 in lesson 3. So translate them. So next class, we will discuss for dialogue 1 and 2. I need you to do the translate by yourself first. Okay. Then I already gave you the MP3 to how to read dialogue 1 and dialogue 2. So make sure you listen and read for that. Then that's all for today. So do you have any questions for today? The video for our class I will upload in the end. Okay. So this is all for today. Do you have any questions for it? 没有 Okay, so if 没